Welcome to the John S. Dyson Energy Zone. We're excited to kick off our program celebrating the completion and energization of the Central East Energy Connect project.
The Power Authority, as you may know, is involved in several large transmission efforts to help meet the state's clean energy goals. But this project, the Central East Energy Connect, is the first transmission rebuild project that we've undertaken with a private company, and that collaboration has proven to be a great success.
Our commitment to developing, building, owning, operating high-voltage transmission systems, as demonstrated by this project, is a key part of the energy transition.
From a clean energy delivery standpoint, from an economic delivery of low-cost power, and from a reliability standpoint, this project is absolutely crucial to helping New York State achieve those clean energy goals.
So this project, when we talk about investment in infrastructure, we a lot of times think of roads and bridges, but the energy infrastructure truly needs our attention and the dedication of resources. And here at the CEEC, we saw that happen.
Transmission is the key, and clearly this Connect project is one that provides and enhances what we need, not only in upstate New York, but throughout the state of New York.
1, 2, 3.